Welcome to this session on advanced data structures. In this module, we will explore the properties of the M-way search tree, a foundational multi-branching search structure widely used in large-scale indexing and database systems. Let us begin by understanding the core properties that define M-way trees and how they enable efficient operations. Now, let us examine the foundational concept of a multi-way search tree. A multi-way search tree is essentially a generalized form of a binary search tree designed to handle higher branching factors. Each node is capable of storing up to m-1 keys and can maintain m child pointers. All keys within a node remain strictly sorted to support deterministic navigation. Furthermore, each child pointer segments the key space into m-ordered intervals, enabling scalable and structured search across large datasets. Let us now walk through the node structure of an M-way search tree. Each node is composed of a sequence of sorted keys, labeled K1, K2, K3, and so on, up to K of m-1. Below these keys, we have the corresponding child pointers, C0, C1, C2, C3, and continuing up to C of m. Each pointer directs the search toward the appropriate subtree based on the interval in which the target key lies. This layout ensures that every node systematically organizes both keys and their associated subtrees, enabling efficient multi-level navigation. Next, let us focus on the key ordering property, which forms the backbone of search accuracy in an M-way search tree. Within every node, the keys follow a strict ascending order. K1 is less than K2, which is less than K3, and so on, up to K of m-1. Based on this ordering, each child pointer garners a specific value range. Child C0 links to values less than K1. Child C1 covers values between K1 and K2. Child C2 handles values between K2 and K3. This pattern continues until child C of m, which directs to values greater than K of m-1. This structured partitioning of key ranges ensures deterministic and predictable search paths throughout the tree. Now let us review the properties associated with the root node in an M-way search tree. The root node is more flexible than internal nodes. It can store anywhere from 1 to m-1 keys, depending on the stage of tree growth. If the root is not a leaf, it must maintain at least 2 children to support valid branching. In the early stages, the root may function as a leaf node before any split operations occur. Importantly, the root is the only node permitted to hold fewer than the minimum required keys that apply to other internal nodes. As the tree expands, if the root overflows, it undergoes a split. This operation generates a new root and increases the overall height of the tree by 1, ensuring balanced and scalable growth. And coming to properties of internal or non-root nodes in an M-way search tree. Each internal node must contain at least the ceiling of m divided by 2, -1 keys, and at most m-1 keys. This ensures minimum occupancy and helps maintain a balanced tree structure. Internal nodes always maintain one more child than the number of keys they contain. All keys inside these nodes remain strictly sorted to enable accurate navigation. Each child pointer partitions the key space into ordered intervals, directing the search toward the appropriate subtree. Internal nodes do not store final data values like leaf nodes. Instead, they function as routing points that guide the search process efficiently. Except for the root, every internal node must strictly satisfy the minimum occupancy rule to preserve structural balance. Next, let us look at the properties of leaf nodes in an M-way search tree. Leaf nodes can store multiple keys, but they do not contain any child pointers. All keys within a leaf are maintained in strictly sorted order to ensure rapid lookup performance. Unlike balanced structures such as B-trees, leaf nodes in a general M-way search tree may appear at varying depths. These nodes represent the termination point of a search operation and store the actual data values associated with the keys. Leaf nodes follow the same key capacity constraints as internal nodes. Specifically, each leaf must contain at least the ceiling of m divided by 2-1 keys, and at most m-1 keys. During update operations, insertions and deletions impact the leaf layer first. Only when capacity constraints are violated do these operations propagate upward, triggering splits or merges as needed. These characteristics collectively ensure efficient lookup and structured data organization within the M-way search tree. Let us conclude with a consolidated perspective on the key properties of the M-way search tree. Each node in this structure can accommodate up to m-1 keys, giving the tree a broad branching capability. The root node is flexible, holding anywhere from 1 to m-1 keys, and in smaller trees it may even function as a leaf. Internal nodes follow a stricter rule set. They must maintain at least the ceiling of m over 2-1 keys and up to m-1 keys, with their child pointers segmenting the key space into well-defined ranges. From a performance standpoint, the M-way search tree delivers logarithmic complexity, O of log base m of n, providing significantly faster operations than traditional binary search trees when managing large-scale datasets. Leaf nodes serve as the termination points for lookup operations. They store the actual data, maintain no children, and preserve all keys in fully sorted order. Most importantly, the high branching factor compresses tree height. A shallower tree means fewer traversal steps, improved throughput, and consistently accelerated search, insertion, and retrieval operations. This combination of structure, scalability, and operational efficiency makes the M-way search tree a strategic asset in high-performance indexing and database systems. Thank you.